mix and match. You got to eat well where you're camping. Fundamental. So we have tonight a variation on a sort of Thai coconut curry, but we're using, instead of Thai curry, we are using Indonesian Rendang curry. These paste concentrate packets. So far, this is absolutely not going to be a traditional Rendang for sure. And I mean, I would be misrepresenting this dish if I presented it as a Rendang. You know, I have nothing but the utmost respect for the Indonesian and Singaporean Rendang masters. So this isn't Rendang, but we are substituting Rendang curry for what you could also use as like a Thai curry paste. Okay, so that's the meal tonight, plus two special guest features here. We have a little bit of peach, sliced peach and canned water for sweetening up the soup a little bit, the coconut stock we're gonna make here, and some of last night's dinner leftovers, mashed potato and sweet potato and garlic, beautifully cooked, I dare say, on the fire, bulgogi marinated steak, and beef gravy. That's also going into the mix tonight. Coconut oil, onions, ginger, and goes the sweet potato. Next comes the rendang. Next goes the chicken. A little bit of peach juice. And next goes coconut cream. Oh, yes. Stick and a little bit of lime. Fresh lime juice. All right, so typically a curry like this might be done on rice. We're going unorthodox. We've got some rice noodle. Rice noodle goes in. Go. Chicken, beef, rendang style coconut noodles. Backwoods dinner. Delicious, but let me just show it for here. Mm. 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 Oh my God, man. Damn, that's so good.